When football teams take the field during the Super Bowl, they bring hours upon hours of practice and training with them. They have one shot at winning and they want to stack the odds in their favor. It's the same with your IT security. You want to have confidence in your plans and be sure these plans will work before you need them. This is where tabletop exercises come in. Often overlooked, these strategic role-playing sessions are pivotal in fortifying your team's readiness against unforeseen events. Hi, I'm Rick from the Managed Technology channel. We help small to large-sized businesses navigate their IT needs, including crisis management and continuity planning. Our journey has shown us that the secret to enduring these storms isn't just a reactive stance, but a proactive approach to preparedness. And tabletop exercises are a key component of proactive IT. In this video, we'll explain, number one, what are tabletop exercises? And number two, why do you need tabletop exercises? What are tabletop exercises? Imagine getting your team to navigate through simulated disaster scenarios in a controlled environment. This is what tabletop exercises are all about. Testing your incident response, business continuity, and disaster recovery plans without the real-world chaos. During a tabletop exercise, participants gather and are presented with a hypothetical but realistic cybersecurity incident. Some examples of these incidents are phishing campaigns, a ransomware attack, a data breach, or any other cyber threat. The participants then work together as a team to analyze, make decisions, and create a response plan. Participants of a tabletop exercise should include: number one, C-suite and senior executives; number two, technical responders; and number three, personnel with roles in the business incident response plan. All these participants play distinct and key roles, and their joint efforts are critical for the business's resilience during a cybersecurity threat. Why do you need tabletop exercises? Number one, spot weaknesses early. Before reality tests you, you can identify and rectify gaps in your plans. Number two, boost team coordination. You'll easily enhance communication and clarify roles, ensuring everyone knows how to act when a crisis hits. Number three, sharpen decision-making. Simulated pressures improve critical thinking, preparing your team for quick, effective responses. Number four, meet compliance. In many sectors, these exercises aren't just beneficial, they're mandatory. And number five, essential training. Lastly, they double as both an introduction for newcomers and a refresher for your current team, highlighting potential threats and response strategies. Now that you know what tabletop exercises are and what they can do for your business, you're one step closer to ensuring the resilience of your company and IT network. To learn more about other ways you can protect your network, be sure to download our free ebook, 3 Types of Cybersecurity Solutions Your Business Must Have. As always, this is Rick from the Managed Technology channel. If this video helped you out today, please like it and subscribe to our channel so we can grow and help other business tech users like yourself. If you have any further questions or have any topics you'd like us to cover, please comment down below. See you next time.